Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Honey Hive Petal seed and Grow Garden game of Roblox BZB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the seeds from this update, and before I show you how the Honey Hive Petal looks like, I'm going to show you how you can get the seed. If you want to get the seed guys, you can go to the honey coin shop right here, and you're going to buy the honey hive seed pack. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 2.5k honey coins, and you will have the 4.5% chance to get this honey hive petal. It's rare guys, and luckily I got the seed, and I'm going to show you how the seed looks like. It's really worth to keep in our garden because it can give us much honey coins. Okay, and this is how the honey hive petal looks like. This is a multi-harvest plant, and this is a flower guys. You can harvest one flower from one seed. From one plant. Okay, I'm going to harvest it, and I'm going to compress it. Okay, and it can give us much honey coin, so it's really worth guys. Okay guys, and that's all about the Honey Hive Petal and Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.